Hi friends, welcome to our tutorials. This is a follow-up tutorial for Angular pipes. In the last episode, we saw about Angular, how to use Angular pipes, what are the different built-in pipes and how do we use them. In today's episode, we will take a quick look at how do we use multiple pipes on the same element value, or also known as chaining pipes. So this is very important. It's usually asked in a lot of interviews on how do you chain how do you chain multiple pipes and how do you use multiple pipes. So this is another question that's frequently asked in interview questions. So let's learn about that in this tutorial. Before we proceed friends, I request you kindly subscribe to my channel to get all your doubts queries clarified for free. Thank you so much. All right, so we saw that Angular pipes are used to transform the data before the data is published. Now pipes will take a data as input and then transform it into another desired format. Now we can easily use multiple pipes on the same interpolation value, which means we can use more than one pipe. That's really cool. We can also pass parameters to it using semicolon symbol. Let's see that in action. So I have a variable here, user object, and it has first name and last name. So in the template, I am displaying the last name. Let's see that in action first. All right, so here it is printing the last name, which is tutorials. Now let's add a pipe and I'll say that I want this to be uppercase. So now the value should transform into uppercase. Now we want to use multiple pipes. So I'm going to use another pipe called slice, and this takes two arguments. One is the start index, one is the end index. So it's like a substring. It will cut the substring. So we got tor. Now if you want some value to be changed, you can change it. You can see that, right? So this is cool. You can use multiple pipes on the same interpolation value. This is used so that you can quickly transform the data in your templates rather than in your component. Similarly, you can use other things like lowercase, title case, string, date of birth, date value. So we saw that in the previous tutorial. If you have not checked it out, please do check it out. So this is how you chain multiple pipes together on the same interpolation value. Remember, this is a very frequently asked interview question, so practice it well and try it out. If you need any further information, have any doubts, queries, please drop in your comment section and I will be happy to help you for free. Thank you for joining in this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.